Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the JavaScript. Today we are going to learn about how to remove HTML tags from the string in JavaScript. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please to subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please to like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So how to remove the HTML tags from the string? So there is a method that is called the replace. Okay. So we are using the replace method with regular expression. Okay, so here we are just matching the regular expressions with G and I, G for global, I for the case insensitive, right? And just we are matching and just replacing the HTML tags. Okay, so this is very simple and the very easy. You can see that I'm just going to copy and I will show you that this is workable or not. So here we go with this one. So whatever HTML tags I have written out, it all are stripped, right? So here all are replaced and the hello world string is coming up, right? So this is how we are able to remove or replace the HTML strings from your normal strings, right? So any doubt, any query in that, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video if you really like that one. So have a great day. Thank you so much.